Hello there. Do you want to learn Spanish? Mi nombre es Mariela Terraza and I can help you with that. Puedo ayudarte con eso, ¿sí? Soy de Argentina, I'm from Argentina, and I've been studying English since I was a child, so I'm pretty used to speak it, as you can see. I've been teaching Spanish since a couple of years now, and I have a lot of experience with foreign students. And my lessons are very dynamic, so that allow me to adapt to different students from different ages with different level of knowledge in Spanish, with different goals. That's basically what it will depend how we're going to start with our lessons. Okay, I have students from high school and they need help with their homework. So if you are a student in high school and you need help, or if you are, I've been preparing university students for their final exams also, and we had great result, by the way, so very proud of that. So but if you have if you are a beginner and you don't have experience with the Spanish, that's okay, because I feel very comfortable speaking English, so we can start from the very beginning with greetings, with hola, ¿cómo estás? Te presento a, yeah. So just from the very beginning, yeah. So kind of the idea is to have this relationship with my student that I really enjoy. I have discovered through this time that we have great relationship. We together we have like this. I said like this feedback, this retroalimentación. It will be in Spanish. It's a great word, by the way, and because I'm able to teach Spanish, but they give me so much more instead, because we share our different cultures. Spanish it has something that it will depend of it depends a lot of exceptions, and it has a lot of idioms. So if you have a good level of Spanish and you want to improve your Spanish skills, I can help you with that. One of my students said to me once, okay, why Spanish speakers, they are singing all the time? And I said, no, we don't. It's just we use a lot of connectors, so it make it sound more fluently. So if you want to learn to do that, I can teach you. Yeah, I can teach you some tricks so you can speak like a local, if that's your goal. Okay, kind of the idea is that I will adapt to your goal, to your needs. Yeah, so without further ado, if you wanna start your lessons, you can send me a message, by the way. If you just have any question or any doubt, you can send me a message and I will answer you. Or you can choose a trial lesson from my calendar, which is available now. Yeah, so espero verte pronto. See you soon, and kind regards, y nos vemos, ¿sí? Nos vemos pronto. Saludos desde Argentina. Chao.